Hoop dreams are coming true in Toronto after a high school basketball player hit rare air. Point guard Ahmed Ali led his team to victory this week, becoming just the second Canadian player ever to score more than 100 points in a game. Ahmed Ali of the John Polyani CI Jaguars is joining me now in studio. Thanks for being here.
Thank you for allowing me to be here.
How did you do this? You had 30 points after the first quarter, 48 at the half. How did all of this happen?
Just a night, like when I went to the change room, the coach was telling me, he was telling the whole team to like get me going, like feed the hot hand, and then from there I seen the team give me the ball. I made like 4 threes in a row. When I came on halftime, I had 12 points coming out of in the third quarter, like straight. I just knew it was gonna be a special night, and we're talking about Denham Brown numbers. Me and the coach, why he called timeout. He's like, you can go for Denham Brown numbers.
What are his numbers?
His is 111.
111.
Yeah, I was thinking about Kobe 81, but then, man, that was a night I can't forget.
Was the adrenaline just pumping?
Like I was in the zone. Like I don't. When my family was there too, and like the neighborhood, like I consider them family, and I don't know what to say. Like I was out of words, and I seen them cheering every shot I was hitting.
That is just incredible. So the final score was 111 to 79. You scored 103. What were your teammates saying to you afterwards?
No, they were just happy that we got the win. That was the most important thing.
And win huge.
Yeah, win huge. Like, and we're like, in our school, it's like a family. So like, if one person has it going, we're gonna feed the hot hand. That's how we're taught. And Jabula Mary put that in their brain. Like, yeah, you guys have to take away your selfish egos to make a guy succeed.
What are your dreams? What are your aspirations as far as basketball is concerned?
I want to play in the big leagues. I want to play in the NBA. I want to have Canada on my chest. I want to do everything.
You love the game.
I love the game.
Now, do you mind me asking how tall you are?
5'11", 5'10".
Okay, so when I watched, a lot of these guys got a few inches on you.
Yeah.
What do you think makes you special? What's so great about the way you play?
As a Somali Muslim basketball player, like I'm trying to impact. Like we're taught in our religion, we're taught to play to do with everything with excellence. And you know, so when I go on the course, like I have to play with like my heart out. Because if I play with no heart, like no grit, that means like it wouldn't come to a good result.
That's amazing. How often do you practice, and for how long?
I don't like, to be honest. I'm like my mom. My mom goes to work 6 a.m. and she doesn't like telling what she does. But like I'll tell you what I do. I practice like 5 times a week. I take at least a day off. 6 times a week actually. I take a day off to recover.
True dedication.
True dedication.
Congratulations to you.
Thank you, miss. It means a lot.
It's really remarkable. Ahmed Ali, good luck to you.
Yeah.